Welcome back. So today I should probably go on the other side. Yeah. I'm just installing this car seat. Oof, it's cold. Right. Ooh. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just installing this car seat. We really don't know what we're doing, but we're trying to figure it out. Because it should not be rocket science.
Actually, read it.
Huh?
Actually, read the thing. So it's not. So you wanna put them facing that way, not this way. There are two hooks here. The anchor. See, child anchor,
Mm-hmm.
anchor. They're underneath here. So that's the one.
Okay.
And then on the next one, that's it. So we want this to be snug. So
Gonna tighten
and
that.
then to just pull this to get it there.
Hmm.
And want to get it as tight as possible. Press down on this to get it tight. Because you don't want the seat to be moving. I want to get it very, very tight to make sure. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's not moving now. So just to store that, and then seat is good. So I'm gonna put the car seat on it now. So we could either do this or we could use this strap.
Oh, okay.
But I rather use that because it will be like this and over all kind of nonsense. Yeah, I think it's level. Put it down. That it's in place. So it is good to go.
No? Why is it shaking so much?
It's not. It's not. It's just. It's the. It's not the foundation that's shaking. It's just the car seat.
That was pretty easy.
So yeah. So it's actually um
But
the
so
anchor.
it's not gonna be anchored in, like.
It is anchored here. So
But
this
you
is
lifted it, Lee. You lifted it so easily.
not with the with this.
Oh.
So it can't come out otherwise. Like here's the lock right here. Listen.
Hmm.
Listen. Get that? Get that? So now you can't take this out
Oh.
unless you release it. Um, right here.
Okay. Got you.
Yeah. So that's why I check to make sure this is firm.
So this is what it looks like. Uh, and we can close this. It's freezing today, guys. Freezing. But yeah.
So this is what I was saying. No, so you would have the mirror
And
here.
then we're gonna put the camera
Or
right
you
here.
can put the camera on that and angle it here.
Yeah, but yeah. We're gonna have a camera and a mirror. So I guess I can
The mirror.
put the mirror here. Because they do have
Yeah,
one
angle
that
the mirror.
actually, yes, and then put the camera here, so that will work better.
And then we already have this part that there's a button here too. So when you press this, you could extend the strap to put it on. Put it on baby. Baby is not gonna be big, so maybe right there. And then you tighten it like that.
Oh, sweet.
And then you put that, you do that part last, and then you kind of secure baby.
Okay,
And then you
awesome.
tighten. So baby kind of down here.
Mm-hmm.
The baby's legs here.